function survey surface allows to measure or edit an existing surface using the current configured instrument. To open the functionality, click on Survey and click Surface. Now we have the possibility to create a new surface, or in case we have in our database, select an existing surface. With the current instrument, we have the possibility to measure points that will be used for the surface creation. The surface is created and updated each time we measure a new element. For example, now we are measuring topographic points that will be used as vertices of the triangles. And the surface we see is created automatically during the survey, and it is updated on screen. Clicking Delete Last, we have the possibility to delete the last measured point. With the different functionalities that we have in the bottom bar, break line, boundary external, boundary internal, we have the possibility to better define our surface, measuring break lines and boundary lines. For example, we can click on break line and we can measure a polyline that will be used as break line for the current surface. In the same way, we can use the other two commands, bound external and boundary internal, to create a boundary line. In this case, we are creating an internal boundary, measuring the polyline for the boundary. When it is complete, we can click Stop. We have also the possibility now to click volume to have a quick volume calculation. Otherwise, we can click back and save the surface, the point and the line that we measured in the field. Of course, now we can open the surface that we created in the surface menu. Here we have the surface that we just measured with our instrument, and for example, we can click on Report to create a complete report of the surface that we measured. We can also perform other operations on the surface that we created. For example, we have the possibility to change the visualization properties or create contour lines. We can also perform different volume calculations directly in the field on the surface that we created, using different calculation modes. In this case, we are creating a volume calculation using a reference point. Using the same function, we have also the possibility to edit an existing surface measuring new points, new breakline or boundary lines. We can open again the surface function in Survey. In this case, we select an existing surface and we click Start. Now we have the possibility to edit our surface measuring new points, breakline or boundary lines.